Welcome to this video demonstration of the NX HD 3D Visual Reporting Tool. In this video, I will summarize and report property specifications about a piston assembly by visually highlighting key information about the assembly within the graphics window and the report navigator. NX Visual Reporting is an interactive and graphical means of showing the property values of an assembly. I can temporarily color each component based on its property value. Right now, all parts are partially constrained and shown in blue. I can change the assembly constraint of the components, and the visual reporting will highlight each type of constraint in different colors. Notice that fixed constrained, partially constrained, and fully constrained components are all colored in distinct colors to help you visualize the assembly constraints. I can also add tags as well, in addition to colors, as a means to further distinguish the parts from each other. I can customize the style of the visual groups. In this case, I will change the partially constrained group to be in green instead of the default blue color. I can also show the weight information of each part in a color-coded view. To set and customize the reporting scope for weight information, I can just set a number in a report called Component Heavier Than, and it will give me immediate feedback in a color-coded view. You can utilize various other reports such as part material information as needed for your report. I now have efficiently visualized the various piston assembly properties in color-coded views. Utilize the powerful NX Visual Reporting tool to convey essential information about your model in a user-friendly visual report. If you're curious to know more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial that you can access by clicking on the free trial button located at the bottom right corner. Give it a try and see how it works for you.